Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Regrad. In this video, I want to explain some more trigonometric problems related to angles. Okay, now in this video, I want to explain these problems. Before explaining this, I want to explain some topic related to this. Okay, now already I wrote formulas what sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, cosecant theta is equal to secant 90 minus theta, secant theta is equal to cosecant 90 minus theta, cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. These formulas I already explained. Now what are these and why I wrote again, I will explain. Suppose if you take 15 degrees sine, any value in this. For this formula, if you apply this formula, cos sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. That means cos 90 minus 15. So sin 15 is equal to cos 75. For corratios, the corratios angles, if you are observing, a relation is there. What is that relation? See, here 15 is there, here 75 is there. 15 plus 75 is 90. So the sum of these two values is equal to 90 degrees. Because this value you are subtracting from 19, again that value you are adding to 15 also, 90 will come. So that's why the sum of these corratios angles is 90, then those are equal. So these two angles are called complementary angles. What is meant by complementary? What is meant by complementary angles? This, if the sum of any two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then those two angles are called complementary angles. Suppose 10 degrees you take, for this what is the complementary angle? 80 degrees, because the sum of these two is 90 degrees. So any angles, suppose like this only, 20 there means 70, 45 there means 45, but sum should be 45, 90. Okay, if the sum of the two angles is 90, those are complementary angles. So sine of any angle is equal to complementary angle of cos. Complementary angle of cos. For cos, its complementary angle will come. So that is complementary angle means that one. For that I explain this. What are complementary angles? I hope you understood. The angles whose sum is 90 degrees, those angles are called complementary angles. That in this some use is there, that's why I explained. Just okay. Now see. First sum, solving first sum. Tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Find, evaluate means find the value. Now, if you observe these two, sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. These two are complementary angles. That's why same value will come. For this complementary angle, this will come. For this complementary, this will come. So that's why complementary angles. Now you convert tan theta. You convert. Tan theta is equal to what? Cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta. Apply the formula. Tan theta, coratio formula apply. Cot 90 minus theta. Here anyway, tan 64 is there. So now, because you write, why because means tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. This reason you write here. That is better. Now this becomes cot 90 minus 26 is 64 into tan 64 degrees. If you observe, these two are inverse ratios. So cot inverse to tan, tan inverse to cot. Anyone we can inverse. I am inversing this means cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Tan theta here is what? 64 into this is already tan 64. See, numerator tan 64, denominator tan 64 cancelled. We get 1. So this is only answer. So tan 26 into tan 64 is equal to 1. So This is the answer. Now second problem. Second problem you see this one. In this first problem. Okay. Show that means identities. We should take LHS and we should prove to RHS. So first LHS I am taking. What is LHS in this case? See. Tan 48, tan 16, tan 42, tan 74 is there. That we should prove is equal to RHS. Now see, in this easiest way we should choose. See, the problem, mathematical problem, in so many ways we can do, but what we choose? Easiest way and simple method, easiest method, and which is understand very easily, that methods only we will choose. So in this, if you do like this anyway, anyone you can change to complementary angles, but no, that is cumbersome and it will take more time. Conversions more complicated. Simple ways means simply we will get the answer. What is simple method here means, because these all are in multiplication, we can change the order. A into B into C is equal to B into C into A or C into A into B, like that anyway we can write. So for that reason we can change the order. Which change means the angles which are complementary, that we write as pair. So that is the easiest way. See, for 48 what is complementary angle? That's why complementary angles I explained before. For 48 to 42 is complementary. 48 plus 42 is 90. So these two are. That's why first those both you write as pair. Say tan 48 to tan 42 you write. Into tan 16 you write. In this still more are there means again for this complementary you check. Not there. Compulsory you should write remaining. That's it. But these two are also complementary. Okay. 16 plus 74 also 90. That is no problem. Now, because they are complementary, we can apply that formula. Okay. 48 I am changing. This 48 I am changing. So tan theta is equal to what? Formula cot 90 minus theta. Theta in this case is 48 into tan, here into tan 42 degrees. Here I wrote. Now 16 I left like this. This I am changing. So this is tan theta I am changing. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus 74 degrees. Okay. Now this because you write here tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Reason you write. That is better. Reason. By which reason we wrote this one? So because that. Now cot 90 minus 48 is what? 42. Here tan 42 is there. Now tan 16 next. See, cot 90 minus 17 is 16. So cot 60 degrees. Okay. Now if you observe, these two are complementary there. Opposite. That means inverse ratios, tan cot inverse ratios. Same values. That's why any one of these you can inverse. I am inversing cot. So cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. That means tan 42 into tan 42 as it is. Now this here cot inverse, here also cot inverse. You order you follow, then it is better. Here also tan 1 by tan. Cot is 1 by tan. Why? Because for writing this. So tan cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. For that reason. Now numerator tan 42, denominator tan 42, 1. Cancelled and 1. So numerator tan 16, denominator tan 16 cancelled, 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. That is RHS. That is RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. That is only our aim to solve this problem. Next, third one. Third one is, that means in this second, this is also identity. So taking LHS, you take LHS, what? Cos 36, cos 54, sin 36, sin 54. This is LHS. We should show this RHS. Now, this is also complementary angles. That's why I am changing 36. I am changing 36 value. I am changing. Now, if you change 36 value, cot theta, right? Co-ratio value for cot. Cos, not cot, cos. So, cos is sin 90 minus theta. Theta is 36. Here you write as it is cos 54 degrees. Minus here also 36 only you convert. Sin. For sin, what is co-ratio formula? Cos 90 minus theta. Theta is 36. Here anyway it is 54. Now that's it. Reason you want means for reason you write what? Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, because that you write. Now this becomes sin 90 minus 36 is 54 degrees. Cos 54 degrees. Cos 90 minus 30 54 degrees into sin 54 degrees. So all converted to 54 degrees. It's right in order 54 cos 54. This first write sin 54 cos 54. If you write like this, sin 54 cos 54 one term, sin 54 cos 54 one term, values are same. That means sin 54 cos 54 is, if you take a, this is also sin 54 cos 54 a minus a cancel. In that way both the terms are equal. If multiplication is there means totally this becomes one term. A into b, ab is one term. A plus b means not one term. See, ab is you take it as single term, but a plus b two terms. So that's why. Now these two are cancelled, 0. So 0. LH, this is RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. So by this way we can solve this type of problems. I hope everyone understood my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.